Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Edwin Febriani. Come from Polytechnic Negeri Samarinda. Today I will presentation about our research. Okay, let me share the PowerPoint. Okay. Okay, this is our PowerPoint. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Design-driven innovation in plastic waste products with Edwin Febriani, Darius Safari, and Ditani Zaura. Introduction. Design-driven innovation is a business approach that design function as a driver to make some innovation. Design is a practice to make, execute, or develop a product as strategy development, problem solving, and create value of product. Innovation is an idea of something then applied or adoption into a product. The problem, the increasing plastic waste in the world needs require for sustainable life. Sustainable product is a condition that the product have an environment friendly. Research goal. This study discusses how a design from recycled plastic can be a driving force in innovation of sustainable product. How sustainability and technology can drive an innovation. This from Fergati 2003. This in three picture. Product is languages which need design push. Technologies need technology push, and finally, successful market need product that have collaboration between design and technologies. So, the important thing that we can have a product innovation, success product innovation. We must have a good design and good technologies. Design-driven innovation do not come from the market, but they create a new market. So we must have a more brilliant idea to make a new market that the market have more innovation. They don't push the new technologies, but they push new meanings. Any technologies that we have can be a good design, good product if we can make a new meaning from our product. For example, we have a new concept with our product. This study is qualitative research with experiment in the end. The experiment is about how to recycle plastic waste become a new product which have innovation sense. Plastic waste heated in several conditions to get some texture, then innovation product developed. Okay, we have any experiment with plastic waste. The first experiment, we collect, wash, clean the heat, and then heat the clean, then heat the plastic waste with the iron at 90 to 100 degree, and then use a fabric as ironing mat, then give more power on the iron. So the result, the texture, not the natural texture, I mean a flat texture, no texture of the heated plastic. And then from the aesthetic side, the texture less aesthetic, but we must collaboration with any material to make the product more valuable. Like this picture, we combine with knee, and then any flower in the product. And experiment 2, the second experiment, we collect, wash, clean, then heat the plastic waste with the iron at 70 to 90 degrees, use a fabric as ironing mat, but we give a little power on the iron. The result, some texture after heated the plastic, the texture look good than before, like orange skin. And then the third experiment, collect, wash, clean, then heat the plastic waste with the iron at 70 to 90 degrees. Use, but not use fabric as iron mat. We use direct on the floor, and then give a little power on the iron. The result, some texture after heated the plastic, the texture looks good than before because like a snake or crocodile skin. So make the product more aesthetic than before, and of course more valuable because like crocodile skin. Experiment fourth, collect, wash, clean, cut the plastic, and then braid kepang, braid the plastic before heated, then the heat braid of the plastic with the iron 70 to 90 degrees, and use a fabric as ironing mat, give a little power in the iron, and then the result, some texture after heated the plastic, the texture more good than before because like a new motif, more elegant. Uh, the fifth experiment, collect, wash, clean, cut, then mix the plastic with a different color, and then heat the plastic with the iron 70 to 90 degrees. Use a fabric as ironing mat and give a little, just a little power. So the result, some texture after heated the plastic, like abstract mode. The texture looks more beautiful and looks more abstract mode, more aesthetic. Experiment 6, collect, clean the plastic, and then heat the plastic, and then we collaborate. We mix with a local fabric like ulap doyo, and then the result, some texture after heated the plastic, the texture more beautiful, look aesthetic, and then more valuable because any local 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 culture. The result from 6 experiments, we conclude that different treatment have different results. Its design have a value depend on user who see it. With the traditional scenes, we mix with local culture, design more interesting and more valuable, of course, and the design can drive innovation into a new product with more valuable. I think enough for our presentation. Of course, at the end, I want to stop screen. Thank you for your attention. If any question, you can ask me. Then I hope we can answer the question more quickly. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.